Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we are back with another video on Honor 50 series, and this time we have a great news for you guys. It's been confirmed by the official Honor Germany Twitter account that Honor 50 series will have Google Mobile Services, aka GMS. This is definitely a good news for Honor fans across the globe. Also, it will help the now independent manufacturer to get a foothold in smartphone business after it fell out because of the war between the Huawei and the US government. Moving on, this tweet further confirms the processor they are going to use on the standard Honor 50. It's the Snapdragon 778G chipset. And this is the newest one, so let me tell you some stuff about this SoC. It borrows some features from the flagship Snapdragon 888, like it offers 3 ISPs. This makes it possible to capture photos and videos from 3 different cameras at once. And also you can easily switch between different cameras' video feeds during recording. The processor also supports cameras with staggering HDR sensor like the 50 megapixel chip in the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra for better HDR video recording. The 778G also includes some improvements for more GPU efficient mobile gaming and things like better noise suppression and camera experience on video calls. Both mmWave and sub 6 GHz 5G are supported as well as Wi-Fi 6. This much information is enough for now, or it feels like a video regarding Snapdragon 778G rather than Honor 50. So all in all, Honor was successful in acquiring the cooperation of some of the most important American companies, Google and Qualcomm. Now all that remains is to bring the phone to people. Now in addition to Honor 50, there are 2 more models in the series, Honor 50 Pro and Honor 50 Pro Plus. They are rumored to be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 888 processor and are said to have a multi-module camera with a main 50 megapixel sensor, a 6.79-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a dual front-facing camera of 32 plus 8 megapixels. As for launch, it's not yet known when the Honor's first truly high-end smartphone will be unveiled, but based on what we know so far, we expect it to be unveiled in June. So that's it for now, thank you for watching, catch you guys in the next one, peace out.